The unusual happened on Friday morning at ABEERE roundabout in Osogbo when an intercity minibus commercial driver identified as Tokyo Joe was allegedly accosted by a yet-to-be-identified Tram officer. The Tram officer, according to eyewitnesses, struggled the steering of the bus with the driver until the bus ran off the road, causing accident. The driver, Ojo, who was unconscious due to the accident, later gained consciousness.
Though they are working for the government, but we too, we are serving under the same government. So we are stakeholder. So we need to manage ourselves. If any driver offend you, so you need to know how to do it in a normal way. Even you can put his or her number down against next time. Even before the end of that day, you may catch him again.
Quick intervention of some security agencies prevented the crisis from escalating.
So if governments approve routes, so we have database everywhere in Osogbo, everywhere, so that to avoid criminal acts.
Meanwhile, normalcy has returned to the area as at the time of filing this report. In Osogbo, Joshua Okuchili, NT News.